I love free and I love fonts. So you can imagine how I feel about free fonts. And yes, the people at Creative Fabrica are giving away a huge bundle. This is the Urban Vibes Graffiti Font Bundle. 46 premium fonts completely free. All you need to do is go into Creative Fabrica. So create an account if you don't have one. I'm going to put a link in the video description below. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. That just means if you click on the link and you do wind up purchasing something from Creative Fabrica, I would receive a small commission. However, in this video, it's all about free. This is the Graffiti Font Bundle. We've got 46 premium fonts, very easy to download. You just simply click this big green download button. Now I'm on a Windows computer, so it looks like this. I've got a zip folder down at the bottom. I simply click the save button. So make sure you have a target folder for where you want your zip file to go. Here I've got my YouTube folder and I've got free fonts. I've saved it. It's not super big. So when you double click on the zip folder, it's going to open up a whole bunch of folders and you can just install right from here. You just simply double click inside and then you're going to see open type fonts and true type fonts. If you want to install something, you can just double click it. It'll open up right like this. And then you can simply click the install button. Another thing you can do is you can just do Control A and that selects everything. Right click and then copy. And then you can go back out of the zip folder and then right click and paste. So I've just pasted now a whole bunch of individual non-zipped folders into my regular Windows. There's a whole bunch of different fonts you can install. One of my favorites is Subway Ripple. And then I'm going to go to the open type font. I really like the way this looks. I like how it overlaps. I'm going to click install. Another way you can install this is simply right click on the font and just click install or install for all users, depending on what computer you've got. And a little window opens up that just says installing. Okay, so now I'm inside of Word and I'm going to pick my font here. I'm just going to scroll on down to the bottom and I've got a whole bunch of different fonts. So I'm looking for Subway Ripple. There it is. And there's also another one here called Subway Ripple Extrude. So I'm going to pick the first one and I'm just going to type something in and you can see how clean that font looks. You can make it nice and big now. How great is that? And it works just like any other font. You can change the colors. You can make it larger or smaller. It's really cool. Remember as well that you don't need to use just Word. It works in any Windows application. So here I am, for example, inside of Excel, and I can type in font inside of my graphical worksheet. How great is that? So remember, whether you're using Word or Excel or PowerPoint or any application that uses fonts, you can use these fonts, and they're good for commercial use too. This bundle will not last forever, so make sure to grab it now. It's completely free. And if you'd like to look at other free stuff on Creative Fabrica, on the main page, you want to go over here to the right-hand side, and there's a little thing here called freebies, and you can go to free fonts, free SVGs, or even all freebies. Everything listed in this section is completely free. So if I click on this Comica Boom, for example, you'll see it says free download right here. And even if you don't have plans on using it right away, I still recommend that you grab it because freebies come and go. And if you'd like to see what you've grabbed, go up here to your profile. So I'm under my profile and I'm going to click on my downloads. And we can see right here, I've got my file that I can grab at any time. There's my license key. I simply click the download button and then that'll put it onto my computer. So you can click the download button and you don't necessarily have to download it onto your computer right away. And that can be helpful if something is available, but you're not going to use it right away. I really hope you found this helpful. There's all sorts of cool stuff on Creative Fabrica, including Creative Fabrica Studio. So check out this video on how to use that.